Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm glad you're here. On this channel, I'll teach Japanese in a simple and easy way, and you can learn in just a few minutes. Today, we'll learn the third law in Japanese. The third law consists of 5 sounds. Sa, shi, su, se, so. These are all the sounds of the third law, one of the basic laws in Japanese. Japanese pronunciation is a little different from English. English sounds often come from the throat. Japanese sounds come more from the mouth. Because of this, Japanese usually sounds softer and smoother. Now let me explain a little about intonation. In English, we say it like this: sa, shi, su, se, so. But in Japanese, it sounds like this: sa shi su se so. A, I, u, e, o, a, u, e, o, ka, ki, ku, ke, ko, ka, ki, ku, ke, ko. Now let's pronounce each sound together. Sa, shi, su, se, so. Japanese intonation can be different depending on the region or dialect. However, if you learn standard Japanese, people all over Japanese will understand you. In Japan, there is a small wordplay using this law. It is called sashi su se so. This phrase helps people remember basic Japanese seasonings: sa, sato, sugar, shi, shio, salt, su, osu, vinegar, se, shoyu, soy sauce, so, miso, omiso. Usually, Japanese wordplay uses the first sound of each word. Here the rule is a little different. It's just a fun memory trick. Now let's talk about how to write them. For both Hiragana and Katakana, it is very important to copy the small strokes carefully. Even if you only learn Hiragana, you can communicate in daily Japanese. And learning Hiragana will help you later when you study Japanese culture and kanji. Now let's start writing. Start slightly to the right. Draw the second stroke slightly diagonally from the top toward the lower right. Then turn back and curve toward the lower right and stop. These are 2 ways to write it: 2 stroke or 3 strokes. The basic form uses 2 stroke. It is 3 stroke, but the basic form uses 2 stroke. Sa. Start from the top. Draw a gentle curve and stop smoothly. Shi. Start with a horizontal line. Then draw a start right line downward from the top. Make an oval shape and finish toward the lower left. Su. First draw a horizontal line. Then draw a line from the upper right downward with a small flick. Finally start from upper left, curve down and stop. Se. Be careful because it looks similar to katakana se and the kanji se or yo, 世界 or 世の中 yo, 漢字 se, similar. Be careful because it looks similar to katakana se and the kanji yo or se. There are two ways to write it. The basic form is one stroke. Start to the right. Turn toward the lower left. Then extend to the right again and finish with a curve. So, it can also be writing with two strokes and will still be recognized. So, two pattern, but the basic form is one stroke. So, one more time. So, さしすせそ さしすせそ It is Japanese pronunciation. This is the third row of Hiragana. さしすせそ 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 Hiragana is the most important foundation of Japanese. Please practice pronunciation and writing many times until you get it right. さしすせそ In the next video, we will learn the third row. Thank you for learning with me today. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more Japanese lessons. See you in the next video. Bye.